Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you ways to use your Blockfi account. So first of all, we'll begin with creating our account. So for that, open up a browser and the web address bar, type in blockfi.com. That's going to take you to the official web page, and here go ahead and select get started with. After you click the get started button, this is going to take you to the other interface where you'll be asked to provide in all of the information such as your first name, your last name, your email address, and since you're creating an account, it's going to ask you to set a password as well and then create a referral code as well. Once done setting up all of these information, make sure to mark on the terms and condition located right at the bottom. Also go ahead and clear your CAPTCHA. Once done completing the steps, moving on with step number 2 where you'll be asked to verify your email address. So in order to verify your email, a confirmation code has been sent through an email. Now open up your email and then copy the confirmation code and then paste it right over here. After you're done entering the email address, now you'll need to select the account type. So since you're doing an individual account or a business account, so select it accordingly. Once done, next page you'll need to go ahead and enter in your location, that is your current location, and also provide in the zip code or the postal code. Click the continue button located right at the bottom. Now you'll be asked to verify your identity. So to verify your identity, you have to go through the detailed process. So for that, you need to provide in your street address, all sort of things, and click the continue button. Now you'll be asked to provide in your phone number for the verification purpose. Make sure to enter in the phone number and then click the continue button located right at the bottom. It's going to ask you to provide in your date of birth for the age verification. So click the continue button once done entering the information. Next, you'll be asked to select what are your funding source. So select it accordingly and click the continue button. Once you're done providing the information, click the continue button once again. Now moving on, you'll need to provide in your social security number. So now one of the most important part is entering your social security number correctly and click the continue button located right at the bottom. So now we are almost at the end of creating an account. So you'll have to go through all of these information, and as you can see in the top right hand side corner, there is the account information, that file, which means that you've successfully created your account, and now you can explore Blockfi. So in this way you can create or use Blockfi account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.